Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, but the problem is it's very difficult if you don't have a following. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way that you can make money from affiliate marketing. All you need to do is just set it up, and then you can go to sleep and money will be dropping to your bank account without you having to do anything whatsoever ever again. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to Canva, and once you're here, the next thing you're going to do is to click on social media, and then you're going to click on Instagram, and you're going to click on Instagram Square Posts. Click on create blank. So once it opens, the next thing you're going to do here is search product design, and I'm going to be working with this one, and I'm going to show you why shortly. So now we have this. So this is a smartwatch, and in today's world, smartwatch is actually taking over because there's a lot of companies, a lot of brands that are actually producing smartwatches, and it's very expensive to an extent, but there are other cheaper ones that are very okay. So those are the ones that we're going to be concentrating on for our affiliate marketing. And the next thing we're going to do with this, we're going to leave this as it is now, is to go over to Amazon and type in Amazon affiliates. That is if you don't have an already existing affiliate account on Amazon. So we're going to click on affiliate program. You just click on this program and sign up with the affiliate program. Is very easy to do. All you have to do is to just click on sign up, fill in the details, and you're good to go. So that way you'll be able to get a link, an affiliate link, and we're going to be using that to work our way up. So in order not to make this video entirely long, I'm not going to be showing the process of signing up. It's very easy, something that you can do, but let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a dedicated video on how to sign up with Amazon affiliate, and I'm going to do that for you. So now that we have signed up with Amazon affiliates, we're now going to come over to Amazon.com and search for smartwatch. So now that it has opened, the next thing we're going to do is to click on this review that is 4 stars and up, so that we can get the best seller. That is what we're going to use to have an edge in the market and get people to buy from us. And one thing I love about Amazon is that even if someone clicks on that your link, I'm going to show you all the process. Even if someone clicks on your affiliate link and doesn't make a purchase immediately, if the person buys any other thing on Amazon within a month, you're still going to get your commission, and that is 4%. So the person doesn't really need to buy the smartwatch. The person just needs to click on your link. I'm going to show you the procedure and everything and how to make people click on the link, and they are going to eventually buy something from Amazon within a month, and you will still get paid. How cool is this? So we're going to go to under $25, and now we have this one that seems to be waterproof, and it's going for $18.99. That is just to say that it's going for $19, as against thousands of dollars that they sell other big brands with big names, right? So now that we have this, we're going to be working with this. This seems amazing, and I'm going to give you another alternative that I think will sell even better, although this is the one I started working with before I found that one. So I've not really added that product yet, so I don't know how it's going to react in the markets, but the product itself is very amazing, and I'm sure people are going to rush it. People are going to love it when they see it. So I'm going to be sharing that with you shortly, but first let me show you how to do this one. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this, and here you can see that 727 people have already rated this product. So now the next thing we're going to do is to save this picture. Look for the best picture here. So we're going to just look for this picture and go ahead and right click and click on save image, right? Okay, so we're going to just save it to our device. You can do this with your mobile phone or your computer. It doesn't matter the device you're using. You're just going to make money anyways from it. All right, so now that we have this and we'll have this right up, we're still going to leave this tab open, and we're going to go over to Canva. We're going to go back to Canva, to that our Canva design that we opened. So if we come over to our Canva, we're going to just go ahead and delete this, and we're going to bring in our product picture, which is this one, and we're going to click on open. So now that it has opened, we're just going to put it on our design. So now we have it on our design, and we're going to click on edit, click on background remover to remove the background, and the next thing you're going to do is to change this highlights here to that of the wristwatch. So we're going to go back to that design to get some of the information about this wristwatch. So here we can see that is 230 mAh, longer battery, and can last 7 days. So this is more like the catch for the wristwatch. So it's going to last for 7 days on one single charge, and it has 230 mAh battery capacity. So we're going to go over to our design and put that here, mAh, and then you can go ahead and change all the information here. So I wouldn't want to start doing it so that I don't waste your time, but you can just go ahead and change, put in the vital information and every other information that will encourage people to buy the product. Once you have that here, you can then export your design. But that's not all. I need to show you the other product that I'm talking about, and that will be on AliExpress. So let's quickly go over to AliExpress. So now that we're on AliExpress, the next thing we're going to search for is Ultra 8 7-in-1. Ultra 8 7-in-1. It's very fantastic, and I'm very sure that it's going to sell. I haven't tried it out, but I'm very sure that it's going to sell. So here you can have it, and depending on your country, you can just go ahead and change it to your country so that you can see the price in your country currency, right? So here you can see that the price is $14.78. Now, how cool is this? And you're going to get 7 straps, guys. And then if you look at it and it's something that you love, and I'm sure every other person that comes across it will also love it because it's 7-in-1. You just sign up with AliExpress affiliate program and you can now start promoting this particular product, and you're going to be making money from the sales. But the problem I have with AliExpress is it doesn't have that tracking capabilities just like Amazon, so that when someone clicks on the link, even if the person doesn't buy the product immediately, if the person makes a purchase on the platform anytime within 30 days, you're still going to get paid your commission. So that is one of the reasons why I love Amazon so much. But you can go ahead and try out AliExpress. It's still going to work because the product is something that is going to give you a lot of sales, because it's really catchy and is quite affordable, and it's free shipping worldwide. So this is something that your prospective clients will love, as against that of Amazon, that you have to pay $20-something and then you have to pay for shipping. But let's say we've gotten this out of the way, we've sorted out the product, and we have our product, we've decided on the product that we want to promote. And again, this is not restricted to wristwatch alone. You can do anything. You can do sneakers, you can do wristband, you can do sunshades, you can do clothing, you can do hair product, and so on and so forth. But I choose wristwatch because it's something that is commonly used. And then the next thing we're going to do is to come over to our design. Let's say we have selected everything and everything is good, we've done our write-up and everything. You're going to go ahead and export this, and if you want to export this, you just click on download and make sure you take it to the highest resolution. Take it to the highest resolution. It will not increase the size, but it will increase the quality to make it very, very good, that when someone zooms in, the person can get all the information without the design blurring out, right? So now that we have this, you're just going to go ahead and click on download and download it, and you're good to go. So the next thing we're going to do is to come over to pinterest.com and either log in if you have an account already, or you can go ahead and sign up. So now that I have logged in, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. You don't want to waste time, just click on create. So the next thing we're going to do is to bring in the design that we made on Canva. So now that we have uploaded the design, the next thing we're going to do is to go over to Amazon, where we open that product, and we're going to take the name of the product. This will enable us get a lot of traffic from search. So here we're going to put the title like this. So the next thing we're going to do is to come over here and find the description about this item. We find the description, which is this. We'll find it and copy it, but make sure that you take the most important details. Let people know all the functionalities, all the things that will make someone want to buy the product. So now we're going to just copy this as it is and come over to Pinterest and paste it here. So now this is the most important part. This is where you add your affiliate link from Amazon. So we're just going to go ahead and copy our affiliate link. Let's say we are signed in and this is our affiliate link, and we're just going to come here and put it here. Make sure you have to sign up with Amazon affiliate link. If not, you're just going to be helping another person sell his product and you're not going to be making any money whatsoever. But if you use the verified affiliate link that is assigned to your account, then you can make a lot of money from this. So now that we have this, the next thing we're going to do is to come down, and you can choose whether you want to put it on a board or not. But that is not our point here. That is not what we came here to do. So we came here to tap into the search traffic. So here I'm going to put in a tag topic. So we're going to be putting in gift items. We're going to put in smartwatch and all the rest of that. So I'm just going to take a moment to put that. So here you put in smartwatch. So now that we have this sorted out, and the next thing we're going to do is to click on publish, and you are ready. Don't make too many posts on Pinterest, or else Amazon is going to ban you. Trust me, they're going to ban you. They don't like when people spam their links. Don't spam their links, don't make too many posts. Make sure you select a top selling product so that you won't have any problem, not making sales in a month. And talking about affiliate marketing, I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn more ways you can make money from affiliate marketing without having a large following. So go ahead and watch it right now and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.